What are you doing?
I'm fixing.
You're fixing? What are you fixing?
Fixing my tools.
You're fixing with your tools?
Fixing my tools.
Good job.
I'm using.
That's a screwdriver?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue.
Yeah.
That's black.
You're right, those are black screws.
What's that screwdriver?
That's another one. What color is it?
Orange. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I get it.
What did you drop?
I dropped it.
Dropped your hammer.
Let me talk.
Yeah, those are your trucks.
Listen. You're turning the ball.
Mommy's too big for the ball.
Let's go, Mommy.
Thank you.
This is mine.
Yes, that is yours.
That's my screwdriver.
That is your screwdriver.
I fixed them in.
You fixing?
Thank you.
Who gave you their tools?
Ben.
Do you remember? Aunt Kristen. And
Uncle Brett.
Uncle Brett. You say thank you?
Thank you.
You look in the camera, say thank you.
This is my tool.